guys, welcome to Hell's Kitchen. We're already going to Hell's Kitchen. Today, we'll be cooking some meals. I played this game during the Nega edition. It was actually pretty fun. I just saw it. I've been trying to play so many games recently, like recording today, and I keep failing. Honestly, like, it's so annoying. But, yep, I remember this game.
I'm Chef Ramsay, and this is Hell's Kitchen.
Okay.
Here, you'll go head-to-head against the greatest chefs on Roblox. I'll start by splitting you into 2 teams.
I'm the best chef here, obviously. But if I'm cooking olive or I'm using
These are your
olive oil,
teams.
I'm
Don't
going
get
to
too
be so
comfortable.
scared.
Welcome to pre-service, your opportunity to demonstrate your culinary skills. This task is all about accuracy.
Accuracy? Okay. Goat's cheese tartlets. Good pantry. Okay. We need that and that. Fridge. Need that, and that. Okay. Mixing. Yep. Yep. Ooh, this is stressful, guys. Oh. I'm a little chef.
You're mastering the art.
Good. Yep. Yeah. Okay, I'm not being eliminated this round, I think. Cecily is in for a little bit of love. Man, this is so stressful. Also, let me know in the comments, are you a female or a male? I just want to know what my audience is. Serve food. I don't have anything to serve you. I'm sorry. Let me move my pictures. Hell's Angel. Yeah, I got that. I just got that one. Apparently burn overcooked. Yeah, I feel like that's impressive. Go! Go! Green bean, what are you doing? Go, red hair girl.
I have to say, I'm impressed, but only one team can win. The winning team is
Blue.
the red team.
I'm red. Yeah! Blue team, you've lost time to choose who's going home. You will be choosing from your lowest scoring players. These are Gabe and I am Riz. Blue cheese. By blue team, choose who you think should go home. The votes have been counted. The chef going home is Gabe. Bye,
Time to
game.
leave. Log off.
Yeah, log off. Chop. Keep running out of wood. Then we'll start chopping after 5 seconds. Oh, I'm a little mushroom. Oh my. Guys. Run. Oh, the little brown stuff you run slower in. No! I died. I've been chopped. Can I do those who finished? I will award you some XP.
Go and rest until it's time for the next round.
Oh my goodness, I just got chopped up. Yo, I just want to swim here. I'm gonna go in the private area, the relaxing. Upstairs.
This is
No!
dinner service. You're not just churning dishes out. You're performing a symphony. Juggle multiple orders, cook with precision, and keep customers smiling.
This is hard. Fridge. Yes. Chopping. Cut. Chopping. Cut. Yep. Blending.
Great technique.
Mix. Where's mix? Right here. This is mix. Mix. Assemble. Where's assemble? Right here. This is assemble. Serve
You
the
really are nailing this challenge.
pantry. Bam. Yes. Chopping. Chop. Chop. Mixing. Oven, cook.
That looks amazing.
Thank you, Gordon Ramsay. Yep.
They're loving your food.
Oh no, we're losing. I better not be going out this time. Oh my goodness. Chop. Mix. Fry. Is this fried? Fry. Okay.
Keep that momentum.
I'm only getting in compliments. No way am I being kicked out. Their team's losing.
Let's
Yeah.
go!
Yeah! Yes. Red. I don't think I would have gone out anyways. I'm such a good guy. Mix. I'm cooking. Let him cook. I'm cooking. Wait, I was
Well
cooking.
done. You've reached the end. Let's see how you did.
Easy.
The winning team is
Oh, she's cooked.
the red
She's
team.
cooked. She's cooked. Oh my god. Oh no. We're losing. I know who's gonna go. Yep. Lazy. Wait, lazy? I guess you were too lazy. Lazy? Lazy was way too lazy.
Well, somebody had to go.
Now to shuffle up your cheese.
Go and
That's
rest
looking even
until it's
more
time for our
unbalanced. Maybe it's putting the best people. Wait, I'm with the worst people. But I'm not getting out. I'm not gonna. Oh my goodness, this couch. Oh. Already? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, 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 drop. Drop, 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 drop. Fry. I'm not rooting for my teammate, I'm only rooting for me.
Top of the class.
Thank you. Oh yeah! I won. Ooh. Who's gonna win? 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 Is it either gonna be her? Go Green Bean! No Green Bean! No Green Bean! No! Green Bean. I'm sorry, boy. Wait, someone's still in there? No way. Someone's still cooking. Green Bean, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my boy. Say goodbye to Hell's Kitchen. Dishes. Ooh, yes. Flamethrower.
Time's up. Scores on the doors.
OMG!
The winning team is
Green Bean survives.
the blue team. It's time for the lowest scorer to leave Hell's Kitchen.
Well, yep. We were going home.
Don't let the door hit you on the way out.
Yeah, bye. Yeah, I've shuffled your tunes. I'm still to dishwasher dash. Okay. What? What? Wait, where do I go? Buddy, no! Green Bean! He's so traumatized from seeing all his dead friends. Hit! Hit! No! Hit! Hit! No! Hit! No! Hit! Get to the middle! Yeah! 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 No! Too hard. It's too hard. Go on this side. It's... Wait, I'm too short! No! This is not short approved! How dare you, Hell's Kitchen? You're not... Oh! Hit! 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 Go to the farther end. Hit! No! No, I fell! Ah! No, they're coming! Ah. See, I told you. No. 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 Game over. Gonna have to say to do those who finished. How award you some XP.
Go and rest until it's time for the next round.
Why was that so stressful, man? Oh my goodness, already. Yes. No, why do I have to use olive oil? Wait. My friend left. Hey, wait, that's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. Hey. That is not fair. How is that fair? I have no friend to help me.
There you go. You're getting it.
Assemble, 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 assemble.
Finally, you're getting it.
I am getting it. I have been getting it, but I'm all alone. If I lose, it's not my fault, okay? It's not my fault. Because I've been working hard. I'm a good worker. But then I'm alone on my team. That's not, how is that fair? Look, I'm chopping nothing. Right. Wait, how am I doing better? They're not cooking good enough.
You're mastering the art.
Yes, I am. Burger.
Impressive.
Ooh, yeah. Beef Wellington. I can't mess this up for Gordon Ramsay. This is Gordon Ramsay's favorite iconic meal. Chop, 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 chop. Me. Okay. They're not doing good. They're not doing good. They're not doing good. That's good. That's good. Okay.
Great technique.
Thank you. Hey. Assemble. Yeah.
Well done.
Cook. Go! Boil! No!
Just the top performers left. No pressure. The winning team is...
That's
the
not
red team.
fair.
It's time for the lowest scorer to leave Hell's Kitchen.
I'm the only one here!
It's time to leave. Log off.
That's not... Well... Bye, guys. See ya.
Go.